Hi, I'm Gary with Taylor Adhesives, and today we're going to talk to you about Taylor Finale. Taylor Finale is our Cove-based adhesive. It can be used with vinyl, rubber, and even blended products. So you can use it with all Cove-based products. It can only be used over porous substrates because it is a water-based mastic. We're going to give you a couple of tips today on show you a few things to do to make certain that your Cove-based installation goes in properly without any issues. Ray's going to come up here and show us a couple of tricks. Now, as you can see, he's going to find the corner where he's going to have to mark it. And he's going to use a groover to mark the back. So he's going to take his square, drop his groover in there, and make a relief cut on the back of the base. This will enable him to get a nice crisp corner where he comes up with his base. You don't have it pouch out or anything like that. He's already marked this one. This is for the inside corner. He's going to also put a groove there. So you're going to groove it for both inside and outside corners. He's going to apply the adhesive using a fan tip. By doing that, he gets coverage. You want to get about 90% of adhesive coverage on the back of your base. That way you get a good embedded amount of adhesive. Doing a line of adhesive down the top and bottom or a squiggly line across the back is really not acceptable. You have to get proper coverage. Using the proper fan tip or a spreader will actually work very well. So Ray knows right where to put it because he actually grooved that back. Hand him his roller. He's going to lightly roll that to embed the base down into the wet adhesive. Make certain that it gets a good bite. And it's as simple as that. Now for the inside corner, again, he's already grooved that. Applied his adhesive. He's going to cut a little relief out at the bottom on the toe. If you have a toeless base, you don't have to do this. He's bringing his base in, working out bubbles, and pressing the base into place using his roller. Having the right tools makes all the difference in the world. So remember, next time you need an adhesive for Cove base, whether it's rubber, vinyl, or a blended product, think of Taylor Finale. For more information, go to tayloradhesives.com or call Taylor Technical Services.